Good morning, Hotel 133. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Thank you again for all of you who took the time to talk with me on the phone. It's actually kind of nice just to hear your voice and connect with you all in these kind of times. We've been pretty isolated. We don't have any family close to where we live, so we've been doing a lot of FaceTiming and using Zoom and all that kind of stuff to connect with friends and family. So again, it was so nice. Thank you all who took the time to talk with me over the phone. And thank you again, too, for filling out those surveys. So clearly the school did not have a good plan in place for something like this. So they're just kind of working through things. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to fill out that survey because wanted to make sure you had all, access to internet and computers and all that kind of stuff. So the main reason for this video is I want to show you guys Blackboard Collaborate. So I have added sessions every Friday like we would normally have for class. And in the information I also said, okay, so attendance is not required. I know you guys have 8 million things going on. I know I've talked to several of you. You've got kids at your home. You're trying to homeschool. You're trying to do your own homework. Some of you are still working, which is great. But I know, especially for those still working, man, you're juggling 8 more things in the air. So I get it. So attendance is not required. I will record the sessions so you can go back at any time to view them. But I'm going to show you how to access them. So you see my desktop right now. So if you look over on the left-hand side under the supervision, sorry, my dog is barking, darn dog. In that menu, so under lessons and activities, you'll see a new item called Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So what you'll do is you'll click on that. And it will bring you up to this screen, and you'll see all the sessions that I have scheduled, which are every Friday from, I think, April 17th, I think, is when we start back. Let me just double check, because I don't even know what day it is, which I'm sure you all do too. Yeah, so April 17th, so that's our first class session. So when that date comes up, you actually just simply click on this, and I don't know what it's going to do because I'm in oh yeah, so it's not going to do it for me because I'm instructor mode, but let me see what will happen if I go to student view. So in student view, normally what's going to happen is you're going to click on that and it's going to say join session now. Let me see if it does that. It might not do it just because so it's not going to do that. But yeah, so you'll click on it and it'll say join session now. And you have the option, you can, if you've got video capabilities on your laptop, or computer or tablet or whatever you're using, you can show your video, not show your video. It does have audio, so you can either do audio through your computer or through your phone, whichever you prefer. And then you'll be able to see my screen. So I'll bring the PowerPoints up like I do every Friday, like we would do in class. So you'll see those. And again, this is all going to be recorded. Ooh, can't talk today. It's going to be recorded. So if you do miss it, or you're just like, you know what, I got a lot of stuff going on this Friday, I just can't get to it, that's fine. Attendance is not required. And then I'll be there. So I'll go through the PowerPoints like I normally do, and then talk about the homework, all that kind of stuff, talk about the chapter. If you guys have questions regarding the chapter, it does have capabilities to do that. I'll actually add that to the Blackboard resources as well, so you can see how it works. Let's see, what else about Blackboard Collaborate? I think that's about it. But like I said, these will all be recorded too, so if you want to come back at a later time to watch them, that's fine too. So again, hope everybody's staying healthy and safe. If you are feeling overwhelmed, or you're just, again, I'm being really flexible with due dates. Everything just needs to be submitted by May 22nd, including the final exam that is on Blackboard. You will take a final exam on Blackboard, so make sure to do that. But yeah, please reach out. It's better for you to reach out to me now and be like, look, I'm drowning and I, am going to get homework in late or whatever. It's better for me to know that now versus at the end of the semester after I submit grades. So keep in touch, and we will talk to you guys soon. Spring break is next week. I know nobody's probably going anywhere doing anything exciting, but try to, take some time for yourself. So, all right, have a good day.